Shalom Shabbat, Ambazonia.
My child, don't you worry. If I happen to die as an Amazonia, don't you worry, we shall meet again.
People of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons, Ambazonia, welcome. Today, na second week for September 2019.
Don't you worry, we shall meet
Good citizens of Ambazonia, my name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for now. This podcast they come for number second week for September when a national lockdown day together with Ghost Town. That means a double Ghost Town plus lockdown for one day from Monday to Friday this week. The second week, Ambazonia fighters the coalition fighters, the ADF, the SWAT of Ambazonia, the guerrillas of Ambazonia, the British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces of General Arike, and all their subsidiary forces, together with all the forces of the interim government, the restoration forces, will be conducting military operation from Monday to Friday. All citizens them, me then shidong for house. Me man no talk say it no be no. Make no man no violate this order. Not take risk for come over outside. So you go for some place, you go turn up for road, you know if you come back for house because a gunshot then they for outside. Make all man shidong for house from Monday to Friday. Military operation they go there for lockdown Ambazonia. Any violators go be faced by Ambazonian fighters them. Make all man is shidong for house during this 1 week. Good people of Ambazonia. We'll start this podcast today with news for campaign where one of our Ambazonian prisoners of conscience where they from Kondenge, one bush faller, some German Ambazonia where get German resident, where they be catchy, go put them from Kondenge. A woman then begin campaign for Germany, the worried German government, say they must fight for release that boy. The boy na 41-year-old engineer for Germany. Na papa we get 2 picking them. They be do catch we get picture them for protest march them for inside camera go put them from Kondengi. It be amongst one of those detainees the way they be sentenced them 3 years imprisonment for rioting. Boy we time when that riot be they no be the fee fine, it be the self the sleepy for bed when the riot be the go on. They be just bundle them all go sentence for 3 years imprisonment. The boy Wilfred, he faced life imprisonment for committing no crime other than for taking pictures of protests. The plight for Wilfred, now the plight for all Ambazonia prisoners of conscience being held across the territory and in the concentration camps in La République du Cameroun. For other thing, La République du Cameroun did not make a state barrier for the Betty boy where they be killed for Chobo, one of the terrorist forces them for La République du Cameroun. The Betty Pikin be one of many Betty people them and Bulu people they ran die for inside Ambazonia. It raised eyebrow where other people they ask them say why not only when they kill Betty and Bulu them where did they give them state barrier? The other La République du Cameroun terrorists the way they kill them for Ambazonia. They do go hide them and bury them. Big campaign then begin start for the release of Vasero, one La République du Cameroun citizen, where be criticized Paul Biya, suited and catch him, go lock up on Kondengi. A big artist, musician, where be popular all over the French territory and even for France itself.
33 ans de prière, toujours en quête de solution. 33 ans de 33 pour noyer nos ambitions. 33 ans de Castel, de Guinness comme une punition.
La République du Cameroun, the Kangaroo Court, postponed the court trial for Vasero for October number 8, who paid sympathy for Vasero when one of those young La République du Cameroun, honest people, the way they don't always speak the truth and they stand for the right of every person will be violated. We exceptionally call for the release of Vasero. We pay tribute for a wonderful friend and a compatriot. Now, one of the cases, and this way they remind we to say La République du Cameroun, now say new colonist for French government will sympathize with them and we show solidarity with the suffering for La République du Cameroun, their citizens. In any case, our right of self-determination be determined by us and our business alone. A declaration for our restoration and independence that already been made. The relationship between the two Cameroons is irreparable. Separation and outright independence are the only durable solution for safeguard the freedom and liberty of the citizens of our territory.
Child, don't you worry. If I happen to die.
Back to Ambazonia. For Amber to Amber, Amber Politics 101. Some powerful propaganda message that come up for social media, for WhatsApp in particular, against the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Una here.
So no, they will go talk. So you say if they leave them, they go talk. They know if you know care for key civilian talk, say they can't attack you.
In the propaganda audio, they target General Efang Big Number, the Supreme Commander of the ADF. They try for painting like man way the key civilian them, then turn around lie about them. General Efang, they command the most heavily armed group for Ground Zero. It be very disturbing. Say after La Republique du Cameroon then try to track them down for all way they no succeed. They come through this other way them now. Audio try to provide for the enemy. They route them way the general and a particular unit they use them. Talk about exact corner them. Very sensitive information the way they release them for this audio. Concerning even the number of troops and way they work with the general. The detail for their camp, the new camp where they just set them up for inside the southern zone. As well as many other intelligent information the way they provide them through that audio.
Now you take a 2-time look. The one way see for Sabisa and two way for Bisari. They pass, they go Bichati with about 11 bike. They walk on them. We show now say it be done overnight, set for Bichati. Then the plan. They don't reach Bichati. Tigers, if the information don't reach for Barak, they don't prepare escort.
This one not be the first time we will see propaganda where they send them out for audio, for damage the integrity and for demoralize the soldier the way they fight under the ADF. The time where Dr. Ayabacho will go for Nigeria, we will get audio them like this way they be talk say daddy no be even part for the Cameroons. That way they be set up the ADF forces them, arrest them, shoot Big Number, then Efang for foot for inside Batibo, then change that story. Send audio them. Ambazonia, some of the activists they be call even the head me then kill even General Ivor. Those messages them get an impact on the morale of our soldiers them on the ground. I talk so with tears from my eye. I remember General Ivor at one moment where he be tell me say Capo, I go give up. I go give up. These were own people they no like we. Despite the sacrifices them with this boy they make them. We don't see General Big Number had they don't go attack for Alabukang, attack for the various places them with the brave soldier them for enforce our independence, our territorial integrity. Would they see this sabotage, they still come again for them? It be very disgusting. Our people them, their gullibility for share and even try to question whether this audio that they talk na true or not. Now it's shame for we all. Back to this particular group where make this audio. No be group where get any credibility. Now still the Red Dragons. I will tell now with this group where they make this video. Now still the Red Dragons. Remember say General Ayeke, after I be talk for Ambassador and they say General Fi Masha nobody ever shoot gun, he nobody ever go for any battle. People they no be believe me. Until General Ayeke is second in command. If he can't come out talk for Ambassador them. Say no be Fi Masha nobody ever go for any battle, baby. They stop the meet and go fight. As a matter of fact, the only battle where Fi Masha be support and where he be talk me then go fight, now say me they be go launch attack against Chang people the way they go burn some chieftaincy for Chang. We be been a very controversial and counterproductive move on their part. Now the same group where they be go rearrest General Ayeke. Now they call themselves now say the Tigers of Lebialem because Fi Masha out of some magic. If you not listen for General Ayeke audio them, if we talk say all the gun the way Fi Masha be bring them with the bullet them. One night he do wake up vamoose them all. The next day La Republique they can wipe their cams them all. Till now as we talk, there is nothing like Red Dragons on the ground. Most of those forces they ran transform themselves into the Tigers of Lebialem because some of them been at that old tiger the way they convert them into the Red Dragons. For give una a little bit memory about this group, make una hear General Ayeke time where they be catchy. When I remember time where Big Number be go rescue General Ayeke for inside Fi Masha come with the one execute. He can make video. This same group then go rearrest he again after. When I listen for General Ayeke, the first time where ADF they be go rescue from this same group their hand.
General Ayeke of Red Dragon, now in this way stand up. General Ayeke where he just leave Red Dragon and he there with some of the soldiers where he don't decide for work with them for free Lebialem.
I know ADF soldiers when I'm a fellow colleagues for Ground Zero we will communicate together. We will work like colleagues, and that is all. Fimashani teach me anything as war is concerned. The only thing I fit tell the whole Ambazonia people, who I don't learn from Fimasha, after being with him for close to 2 years, na tradition and propaganda.
Now, make I introduce you now for this group where they call themselves the Tigers of Lebialem. Now they become, after Eric Tatobi talks, they go can take back General Ayeke. Now they become can go arrest he again. Till then, we never hear whether they don't kill him or is he there alive. We not listen for the people them way they now say na the Tigers of Lebialem. Actually, now the Dragons of Lebialem, they call themselves now say the Tigers of Lebialem. We not listen. This audio now after we big number for ADF we go rescue General Ayeke for the Dragons they hand with the one killer. And then this tiger they become can re-arrest you again. Una listen.
General Ayeke Commando. Now in this Tigers of Lebialem. So we don't take them, we disarm them, lock them. Now the weapon then this for down. Evidence to prove.
At the same tiger them for Lebialem where they be catch General Ayeke, force you in gunpoint. Me change public testimony where we can make and say ADF can rescue you. Now the same people in that they not get any credibility. Now they make out this fake audio for tarnish the reputation for General Big Number. Go further for give critical intelligence for La République du Cameroon about the movement, the location of their camp, the direction and route the way they take them for day.
Yes, now the tiger they report so. Say for the setting way they for Ambalan. Now the tiger of the BLM let them the report. Now the tiger general, man of the time, don't you go for go bring your baba.
Now the same tiger this of Lebialem, the same tool where Chris Anu they don't weaponize them for destroy our struggle because the one say me all man follow the leadership way go push we go for Switzerland talks way go can end up for give we decentralization. After Chris Anu that can fail with the fake interview where interview Phil Machar. Now which kind person go for that desperate measure for go call your own brother, meet them live for social media? If by now Ambazonia they don't know people the way they get credibility, they get track record where they stand with honor for defend their interests, for defend their territorial integrity, defend their honor, then it will be a shame because they respond for this audio them, these fake audios with this fake stories them. It be demoralizing for the troops them on the ground. Now true say after 50 years for be under La République, people they always expect say good things they go fail. Good people they no go ever succeed. So it be difficult for them to even support people the way they no be crooked. But we need for come and rally behind the credible leadership and the general that for ground where they do all their best, take measure them for make sure some will get independence. We need for stand for their back. We need for shame and discard all this scam and all this propaganda against them. To that audio and the sensitive information the way they for inside, Big Number no be available right now as we talk for even respond. They measure them and the amount of resources the way they run spend them, countermeasures them due to those sensitive information the way they run release them out there. Give their location for their camp, their movement them, the place where they pass, the people the way they see them. It be disgusting. Tomorrow, would they enter for the first day, for the second week for lockdown for Ambazonia. My belly no be store. I go sit tell Ambazonia the truth about this lockdown. Would they take this 2-day lockdown? I want to have a show on how irresponsible and how gullible would it affect the revolution negatively. This lockdown, the leadership as a no for the revolution of both the interim government and the governing council of Ambazonia, they be deliberate for carefully weigh the report the way they be get for ground zero about the cost for lockdown. They be deliberate, they be lean towards 3-day lockdown for the first week and the second week. The only reason where they can't accept this 2-week lockdown now because this other group, the Mark Barata group, they don't go create for ground zero. Say na ground zero governing council now waiting with over 85% of the general the way they did, they don't even know seriously they don't put the name for day. Where they don't first can really can announce for Ambazonia say na 2 weeks, they be forced for accept and endorse and send out an order for 2 weeks lockdown because say would then begin all man the fight for being a leader, all man the fight for take decision. Tomorrow they fight now and say who will be the first one for announcer. Even like Republic du Cameroon dan jump they suited them to the one here for announce their own lockdown or their own ghost town. If we not recognize the need for rally around credible, efficient, competent leadership, forget a single command structure for our political leadership And if the ground zero troops, they no fit come around that leadership, because some people they go to fight for drag the one, then say, hey, my picking una come for this side, do one go for this side. Una chakara and we go make our own. We no must do this one, we no must do this one. Then we will fail, because all report them. They don't come up for sure. What are CIA, their classified one, what are the French government, their unclassified one, would need for get and project a single political leadership command structure, as well as a single defense structure for ground zero. All this talk about army, it just be the same like government. You know, if you go to create a government, just the same like you know, if you create an army without effectuating your independence. So me then stop all this distraction there for ground. Me then allow the leader, me then lead, me then get the deliberation, then get the qualified lawyers, then get the international partner, the way they advise them on their policies. We must allow the leaders to lead. The job of activists now for stay, for inform the people, for articulate, for help, for open information, open people with their eye. No, before begin the fight for lead, begin fight for send message for this side, send order for this side. If we truly love our people, then we no want this revolution delay again. Make no go make that 1 year before they go can they apologize, before they come back again for the same place we did it. Then we must rally ourselves together to do the right thing and stop this propaganda against the ADF and the AGOFC. But people that need to hold their hand, hold grass, respect the Independent Day Ghost Town every Monday. We'll start this ghost town and lockdown for 1 week. We'll stand strong because the international community work. It be tied with our diplomatic effort. Make we hold grass. Make we stand together. We'll resist until the end. We'll salute all those who have gone ahead of us, and we owe those who have gone ahead of us, who have paid the ultimate price to see this through. May God bless you. May our revolution be short. May our independent freedom be forever. God bless you. Capo Daniel signing off.
Never leave